Everybody, what's up? Back again. This week we got a repair for Apple Watch, Series 1, 42 millimeter, showing you everything that we're gonna need when we first started. Going blow gun, little scalpel, some tweezers. Well, not a scalpel, but scraper, some tweezers. This one doesn't really take too many tools. There's no screwdrivers needed. Just honestly, you can use your fingernails. I really suggest the tweezers though, to get like the glass and everything once you put the heat on. But right here you see I'm just powered it on. Me personally, I like to test the function of, like, make sure the test, not the test, the touch and everything works just before I swap it over, so to know if it's bigger than a cracked glass or not. But I hope y'all having a great day. About to get this started. So first thing first, I'm trying to get underneath the glass. Majority of it is pretty cracked, so it makes it a lot easier to get around it. But right here you see I'm just going on the side that's least cracked because I'm just trying to lift the whole thing up. I actually like doing Apple Watches, y'all. They're pretty neat. It's pretty cool. Sorry I had to get another frame, another look at it. I think someone had called me. But I decided to go with the pick. It was a lot easier. So as you see, got the pick, we got it open, lift it up. Now here goes the most delicate part, is because right underneath the screen are the attachers, the cords, the LED LCD cords for the screen, and you don't want to tear those because they connect to the motherboard, which is underneath everything. And honestly, if you tear those, operation is done. So yeah, you want to be very delicate around this way. So you can see that they go right there. So that little silver latch is what is a cap that covers the connectors. Underneath it is like a little bitty latch, and I just pointed to it right there. When you lift it up, you can lift it up some, but don't try to lift it too much. This is the part where I say you can use your fingernails or whatever you like. As you see, I just lift up the latch, pop the connectors, and yeah, and put a little heat on it, and just get the rest of the glass off around it. So yeah, like these series 1 and 2 aren't bad at all. They're actually pretty good to do. If you're looking to get into starting to fix Apple Watches, I'd definitely go to series 1 and 2. They're a lot easier. Series 3 and above, those connectors are very, very delicate. So and they actually have the digital gasket is laid on there by some tape, and that tape is coincides with the touch of the LCD screen. So yeah, Apple at the series 3 and above, Apple was like, look, we're gonna get difficult with y'all. So it's pretty much what happened. So on this screen, just testing everything, make sure everything's good. See, voila, put the connectors in, comes on. Next one, test the touch, make sure it's good. Yep, it's going through. Power off, good to go. Apple Watch Series 1 42 millimeter.